To the nearest whole number, your approximation stops here, just right before the decimal point. So we need to approximate from right to left. Don't forget that the values outside the point or in front of the point count for this final value here. So what do? We start with the final value here, which is 5. This is 5, so it can be rounded up to 1. This becomes 5,555.5. Then we're looking for the final value here, which is the nearest whole number. So we need to round it up one more time. This is 5, so we can round it up to 1. It becomes 5556. That's our final answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more maths videos.